Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am tired of Christmas crafting, so I decided to come on and show you what I've put together as a kit that I'm going to be using to do some Valentine's embellishments. So first things first, this is just like a dollar store organizing box, and you can see it's cracked, but that's okay. So this has got some very small embellishments, some little stickers, various things. Next up we have this bin, which is some trim that I got from Michael's just the other day. And this was the Christmas collection. I think this was the, oh gosh, peppermint something collection that they came out with this year. But I really liked the size of this trim, and these bows I thought would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Same with this. This is like ribbon, but it is perfect. This was also from the Christmas collection, but it really takes glue well. So this is some more ribbon, again from the Christmas collection, but I liked how it was a little bit frayed. It's like velvet. Similar to the last ribbon. This is just a blue color. And then I grabbed this little bag from my stash. May or may not get used. I grabbed some dies that I thought would be kind of fun to play with. Some scraps. You can see there's like scraps from my Christmas decorating. Glassine bag. Some stamps. Just some very random things that I thought would be fun to play with. And then this is more scraps, including full-size sheets of paper, random tassels, vellum. It's kind of got a mishmash of things in here. There's some doilies. So I'll probably tackle this little bin first. And then this is my kit. And in this is more kind of scraps and little pieces of things that I thought I could probably use to do some Valentine's Day crafting. So I'll pull out lots of ribbon in this. I'll pull out the goodies, and then I'll just repack it as I go. So first things first, some heart tissue paper. I grabbed a couple of pattern papers that have to do with love, some black and white cardstock, and then just some random pieces of paper that had small prints, red and pink, black and pink, craft. This one I already showed you. And then I went into my stash of 8.5 by 11 papers and grabbed some things. Another piece of scrap. Some 5 by 7 embossed paper. A couple of 4 by 6 cards that were gifted to me. Various 6 by 6 pieces of like corrugated things some 4x6 pieces of 12 by 12 paper that just got cut down. So these are basically like journaling cards. Some more of that embossed paper. This really cute vintage Valentine booklet that I bought last year. These two little paper pads of Valentine vellum that I got on clearance last year. A couple of keys that I thrifted. Some paint chips. Some rub-ons. These things are ancient. Dollar store stickers. I think these were from Michael's. More dollar store. Some handmade embellishments from one of the girls in my crafty group. More handmade embellishments. Oh, a couple more journaling cards. Some bling. These are ancient too. These are from Michael's, I do believe. Some like die cut hearts. Some clearance paper clips. Felt hearts from dollar store. All kinds of felt hearts. Some more little pieces that were gifted to me. These I die cut myself. Some trim samples. These I die cut myself too. I'll be showing you these in a Happy Mail video coming up. Some other little like vintage stickers. Some handmade rosettes and tags and just very random things. These were from the dollar store. And then these were also from dollar store. And none of it, as you can see, is a set paper collection. Because apparently I don't believe in that anymore. And then this is a bag, a gift bag that's one of the girls gave me from years ago. And I'm just going to turn it into a loaded bag. So stay tuned and I will take this apart and I'll show you what's in here. And maybe I'll package up some Happy Mail. So that's it for me for today. As always, thanks for coming to hang out with me and I will see you next video. Bye for now.